I am doing many modifications to my bike. Generally, I am against modifications, but I tried my best to represent my ideas on my bike. So you can see what modifications I have done to my bike before I install the fog lamps. I am here to install the fog lamps today. So before I start installing, just go through my bikes, what I have modifications I have gone through. This is the arrows I have done, and after that, this is the 4 gaiters. I made this with stainless steel. And the other thing is I upgraded to this Super Meteor 650 rear view mirrors, and I installed this cap, front cap, and then I have installed this rod as well. These are very minor modifications only, but I like this. This is, I kept this for footrest and for support. Anything you can buy, tag them. And this belongs to Suzuki Access footrest. I welded it with the Royalenfield handlebar, and then this is the saree guard. I cut the right side saree guard into left side saree guard into right side saree guard. This is the because it will cover most of the time. And this is the stainless steel rear carrier. I did it with from Delhi. I got this from Delhi. You can see this. I have installed through these inside pipes. Moreover, these are as of now, these are the things I have done to my bike. And from now, I will install the fog lamps by removing this part, and I will install the fog lamps today. So these are the fog lamps. These are the fog lamps, and I am going to install this for always on headlights also today. After using the Minda switch, I will make this thing possible to turn off and on. And after this, I am installing these fog lamps. I will install the power. I got this coupler so that we can split the power supply from here, and one I will go to the fog lamp, and one will go to the charging point. So I am going to install this. I got this from a local mechanic. Outside they are not selling this. I will couple this, and I will check if fog lamps are working or not. These are the fog lamps I have bought from the Royalenfield store. I am interested in fixing only the legal fog lamps only, so I bought this even though they are expensive. I will fix them and I will update you within a minute. I have removed all the parts of the front headlight. You can see here, this was already present here. This is a 2021 Meteor 350 model. This is so at this part we have a spare supply of for fog lamps only. We can simply remove this like this and attach the this part of the fog lamps. Simple plug and play thing. And I will just turn on the engine. You can see this is direct switch thing. The engine is off. Wait. I'm turning on the engine. Directly working here. You can see the lighting bit of here. also observe the intensity of the light here. You can see that was almost 10 to 20 meters, 30 meters away from me. 30 to 20 meters. This is single light. This is when you include these two things, it was glowing up. This will be enough to see here. Thank you for watching. I have installed the switch here. This switch is a comfortable place for me. This is Minda switch. Here you can see this. It will be easy for you to handle the turn and off. And then I passed the wire through here. And it came up here like this. And remember, this is the part where we can see this coupler. It is clear, From this we have to remove this. We have to make modifications from this part. The color code is red and yellow. I have seen this video from Root of Dreams brother. He explained it in very well. You can watch in that channel also. This red color, red and yellow. This red and yellow combination wire has to be removed from this socket, and then we will make this as a bypass, the power supply. So I have fixed the headlight, this part. Here you can see the switch. This thing, whenever we on it, it will off. I will show you the vehicle now. I'm turning on. See the always headlight. This ring is turning on. You can see. This was always on. Now I am starting the engine. Right now the headlight is not turning on. You can see. Now when I turn it on, you can see the light is moving. You can also use this thing. This is high beam, this is low beam, and you can use the path as well. Even if you turn off the push part, the light off. And then you can just whenever I press this pass thing, I can and here comes the fog lamp. You can see this is normal lighting. This is fog lamp, and this is the headlight. I'm turning off now both of them.